I started mid of October. And then nung November na, nakakasunod pa ako. I still follow the schedule in the Moodle calendar. Yeah. But then, when our manager in the kitchen gave me, oh my goodness, a full-time schedule for
Oh.
work, yeah, hindi na ako nakakasabay. Hindi na
Mm.
talaga. I started working at 6 o'clock in the morning, so I have to get up at 4 because I'm preparing for my breakfast and also for my son. Then that's it. And then I'm gonna travel. Pagdating sa bahay, wala na pagod na ako. Nakakapagod pala magtrabaho sa kitchen. Halos hindi kami makaupo. It's
Mm.
very tiring. By December, last year, December, I asked my husband, sabi ko, oh my goodness, Gilbert, I think I have no time to review. What should I do? Then sabi niya, well, I don't know. Ano ba ang diskarte mo? So
Mm.
napaisip ako. Tapos alam mo yun, yung parang napabuntong hininga na lang ako. Tinanong ko ang Diyos, sabi ko, God, paano daw to? Nakabayad na ako ng full. Paano ako makapag-review? Parang may isang snap na pumasok sa isip ko. Eh di bumili ka ng roadmap na book. Tapos sabi ko, ano, may roadmap na book? Sabi ko, oo, oo.